Welcome to Project Automation and Control using Power BI. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel so that you'll be able to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. Module 3. In Module 3, we are going to look at how to create a template using PowerPoint, and there are a lot of reasons behind it. In the course of presenting your report using Power BI, you need a template because in a particular visual, you may have a lot of objects, and these objects, some of them will be overlapping each other. In the course of selecting each of them, you may mistakenly select your background or select another object, which becomes stressful during your development process. So in order to avoid this, we create a template that defines how we want our report to look like. So in this case, we will proceed by developing a template using PowerPoint. So this is my PowerPoint. So what I need to do now is I have this layer already, so I can simply choose it. Okay, I can simply click here, delete date, click here, delete date. Okay, the architecture actually is your choice to take the type of layers you want. You can make use of design and pick any layers here. But for me, I just want an empty one so that I can insert some objects. Okay, basically, I will click on insert and put some shape. One of the shapes I'm going to put is I will put a rectangular shape because I will use it as my header. I will use this shape as my header. Okay, so I will give it this background. I can also go here and look at the fill color. I can take a fill color of choice, or I can use this as my background. So I also put another rectangular shape by the side here. Okay, I will also give it the same background. I'll also give it the same background. I'll go on fill color and I'll give it the same background. Okay. Alright, so next thing I will do is I will give it an outline. I want the outline, which is the line roundabout the red. I will also proceed by increasing the outline width. So I will use this, want it to be pronounced. I will click on this as well. I'll give it an outline red. I will also click and I will increase the weight. Yeah, I want it to be pronounced. Yeah. So big. So next thing I will do is I'll create another, but this time around, this one is going to be white. I will leave it here. I will leave this here, but I will give it a white background. I will give it a white background, but I will return my outline red and also increase the weight so the next thing I will do is I will duplicate this. So when I duplicate this, I will have something like this, and I will minimize it. I just want to use this. Okay. So let me remove this and bring this off. I will use this as to display most of my measures, such as the baseline start date and baseline finish date. Then I'll also duplicate this again. And I will put it here. I will use this last side as my graph. So I will use it to present my graph. Okay. So basically this is what I want. So I will go ahead and insert my logo. I can also do some typing on it, but for now, let me just quickly insert my logo. So that insert, I will go for picture. Let me scroll and see if I can get. Let me check my document. Okay. I will put this logo. So the logo is here. So I just minimize it and I send it to the corner of this. That's great. So basically I'm done. This is how I want it to look like. Okay. It's like this one is too big. Let me do this now so that I will have enough space on my graph. Okay. Yeah, I think it's fine now. All right. So I've just done a small layout. So you can be creative enough and do yours as you want. Okay. So at this point, I will proceed with saving. So what I need to do here is to save it as JPEG. Instead of saving it as normal PowerPoint file, this is the save. Okay. I will click on save as, right, and I will select JPEG. Under my save as type, I will select JPEG. You can see it here. I'll click on it. Then I will say I want it in the desktop. I'll click change the name. Let's change the name PowerBI background. PowerBI background, okay. Or PowerBI background template, okay. There's a simple like that. Okay, so I'll click on save. Yeah, I'll say just save just for this. Okay, that's all. I can go ahead and minimize it. Right, I'll go back to my PowerPoint. Okay, this is where we stopped last time. So this after importing. After our data cleaning and we save it and close it, look at the file here. If I click here, you see all the whole columns in my Excel sheet. That's what I'm seeing here. Okay. So let me just quickly import my background. So under this, I will go to this format. Under format, I will take canvas background. Under canvas background, I'll click on browse. Okay. I will go to my desktop. I will look at Power BI background template. I will click on it. So it's not showing, not a problem. So all I need to do is I remove this visualization to 0. Okay, you can see it now. Then I need to make it to fit to my page. I will come here, I'll say fit to page. So that's all. So you can see the background. Forget about this thing here, it's just the way Power BI display most of its information. Okay, so this is the background. So I can start dropping any of my visual. Thanks, and remember to subscribe to our page. Bye for now. See you in the next module.